Hello guys, so this is Ray again on shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to list your app on the Play Store. Okay, so if you go to the Play Store, you see a lot of apps listed there, and now you want to list your own app and you're done building your app. So you need to go to the Play console, play.google.com/console. If you don't have an account, you can create one, and it's going to cost you just $25 for paying for the account, and it's a one-time fee on Google Play Store as opposed to Apple that you have to pay $99 every year. Okay, so when you're done paying for that, you have access to your console, which is going to look something like this. Okay, then you can go ahead and list your apps. So if you can see, there are different apps here. Okay, so you just click on create app. Okay, so when you click that, a menu is going to pop up where you're going to put the name of the app and select if it's an app or a game. Then either it's a free app or a paid app. On Play Stores, you're going to see some apps are paid while some are free. So you decide that here. Then these declarations, the developer program policies and the US export laws, you just check that. Then this button will be activated for you to create your app. So now once you do that, that's more like a preliminary basic stuff you're going to do. After that, the next dashboard will come out, which you're going to see. Okay, like this app I'm trying to list here. I've done that already. So the next stage is going to be to provide information about your app and set up your store listing. Okay. So then there are a few tasks you're going to follow through till the end. You see, once you do finish setting up one, the tick here is going to come up. So now after you're done with that part, you're not going to come to the last part here, which is to create and publish a release, which is uploading the APK or the AAP file. So now let's go ahead and fill this other information. I've done this already. That's why you see check. All I basically did here was just to provide my privacy policy URL, right? It's important to provide your privacy policy URL. So now the next thing I'm going to go to do now is the second one. So you see the ones I've completed already is I can't click on it anymore. It's one of 12, but the one that I've not done yet, I can click. So now let's proceed to app access. Okay, so to review your app, Google Play must be able to access all part of it. If access, okay, so all functionality in my app is available without any access restriction. So this, assuming your app was something that required a login, username and password, then you're going to go to the next option and provide the instruction, add instruction. Now, basically, you're going to provide a test username and password for the app. So the Google Play Store review team will be able to use that to review your app. So let's go ahead and click save because the app I'm listing here does not require any, login or something of sort. So now the next one is done. So we'll go to ads. Now here you declare if your app actually displays ads or not. So this app basically displays ads. So I'm going to click here. Say, does your app contain ads? Check the ads policy to make sure your app is compliant. So you click here, yes, my app contains ads. Then we save. Now we're going to go back again and proceed to the next one, which is content rating. So now content rating here basically is to check the rating of your app, whether it's suitable for what kind of audience and all that. So just click start questionnaire here. Now they're going to ask you a few questions that you're going to use to rate your app. Okay, so provide email. So is it a game? All other type of apps. So I'm going to select this category. It's not a game. It's not a social or communication app. So next, download. Does the app contain any rating relevant example? This is no. User content sharing. Does the app usually allow user to interact or exchange content with other users through voice, text, or sharing image? No. Online content. Does the app feature or promote content that isn't part of the initial app download but can be accessed from the app? Example of this type of content are movies in Netflix app, all this in the Amazon shopping, songs in Shopify. Okay. Time and all that online content. So you could say yes. Violence, no. This, no. Language, no. 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 Miscellaneous. Does this app share the user's current and precise location? No. Does that allow you to purchase digital goods? Digital goods. So yes. Is the app in the web browser signaling? No, it's not. Is that primarily a news or traditional product? No. So now you go ahead and save for your ratings. So next. Okay, content rating, category, questionnaire, and summary. So all these done. So it's rated all ages. So you see the rating from your questionnaire has been generated. So you go ahead and save that. So we're done with this section. So we click back to the dashboard again to continue from where we stopped. Now we're moving to target audience, right? So what are the target age group of your app? So you see app is 5 and under, 6 to 8, 9 to 12, 13 to 15. So you can check as much as you want, okay? So the app is a general app that content. So now select that policy requirement summary, making sure any content in your app that could be seen by children is appropriate. Okay. So there's nothing like that on this app. So we click next. Appeal to children. Could your store listing content appeal to children? They not to design. No. Target age group 16 to 17, 18 and over. Yeah. So we go ahead and save. Okay, so we're done with that, and now we're going to click back. Then we move to the next one, news app. No, save. Basically, the Google, so we're going to go back. Google listing is a little bit tedious. You have a lot of information to fill. So now, COVID-19 contact tracing and startup status app. My app is probably available. No, it's not. My app is publicly available. No, my app is not. So it's not a COVID-19 status tracking app. So we're going to select that. Then data safety. So what do you need to disclose? So we click next. So this part is about the safety and all that. So it says, does the app collect or share any of the required user data? No. Additional badges. So next, store listing preview. So this is that. Save. So we go back. Government app. So now they're asking if your app is a government app. So you said no, it's not a government app, and then you save. Go back next. Then financial features. So select all of the financial features your app provide. This helps us to make sure the right terms review your submission. So it doesn't do any of this. None. No. Purchase agreement, reward point, review free, and other insensitive. Buy now, pay later. No. Cryptocurrency wallet. No. Credit monitoring, financial advice, insurance, other map does not provide any financial features. Okay. So next. And then save. Okay. So we go back. Then that is that. We've finished all the this thing here, 10 out of 12. So now the next one is manage how your app is organized and present. Select an appropriate category and provide contact details. Okay, so The last two now is what we're doing. So all this select category app and all that. So we go to edit. This app, we already did that category. So what's the category of this app? Let's see. Let's see finance. Okay. News and magazine, parenting, personalization, tools, art and design, auto and vehicles, beauty, book and preferences, business, communication, dating, education, entertainment, finance, house and home, lifestyles, map and navigate. Okay. So we can either go for business or we go for finance. But let's go for business. Then we save that. Okay. Then we manage tax. So tax here basically is okay. Okay, so store listing contact details. We go ahead and edit this email. Your website. Okay, so that part is done now. Then since we're done with this, we can go back and then the last one where we set up. So now you provide description, graphics, and all that, and upload your AAP file, right? So this is the last phase, and once you're done with this, you save, then send your app for review. Okay, so basically the title is already there, short description. So okay, so full description. Let's go to the website to get information for the full description. Then we're going to provide few graphics. Then grab the ABB file. Okay. So graphics, like the screenshots of the app, how it looks like. Video, a video that explain how it works and all that. We want to provide a video, then phone screenshots, tablet screenshots, 10-inch, Chromebook, so on and so forth. Then lastly, save. So guys, that's basically how to list your app on the Play Store. After you've done that, you save, then you proceed to sending it for review. Immediately you save, you will have the option to send it for review. So that'll be all for now in this video. Expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.